Welcome to our channel. Continuing with our series on advanced steel, let's take a look at a useful method for quickly placing and configuring the connections across our model. For example, here we have a structure belonging to a typical steel frame building, and for which, as you can observe, no connections have been placed yet. And while it is relatively easy to manually place and copy each needed connection, it's also possible to make use of a tool called Quick Connection. As its name suggests, this tool will allow us to quickly and automatically place connections either across the whole model or across a group of selected elements. Now, the way this tool works is by setting a set of rules that allow us to determine when, how, and what type of connection should be placed in each case or situation between members, which may also include the specific parameters of each connection, such as plate thickness and dimensions, bolt arrangement, and so on. However, something that should be mentioned is that not all parameters are easily accessible through this dialog or can be modified in a comprehensive manner. So instead of relying solely on this tool, we can use it in conjunction with other tools we have already approached in previous videos, such as the Transfer Properties tool. Let's then, for example, use both of these tools for quickly placing and configuring the connections corresponding to the base columns of this structure. Specifically, let's use the Quick Connection tool for placing a base plate connection. Let's begin, of course, by choosing the corresponding members. And with these selected, let's simply click on the Quick Connection tool. Here we have, then, the corresponding connections now placed on all the selected members. Nevertheless, it is quite evident that their current configuration or plate size and distribution of the bolts isn't correct. So let's go ahead and fix all these connections. To start, let's quickly change the design of one of the connections that we will use as our main reference. Specifically, let's load a base design from our library that we have previously defined. And it's worth mentioning that this template can be used not only for this project, but across many different projects as well. Let's carry on and use the Transfer Properties tool for adjusting all the remaining connections. Here we have, then, all connections now featuring the adequate design. So we can use this same overall process to quickly obtain most types of connections across our model. At Virginia-e-Learning, this is exactly the type of workflow we focus on teaching, helping you move beyond manual drafting and toward professional, production-ready structural steel detailing using advanced steel. If you'd like to learn more, be sure to visit our website, where you'll find multiple advanced steel courses designed around real industrial projects and practical use cases. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos in this series, where we explore tools, workflows, and best practices for structural steel modeling and detailing in advanced steel.